Okay, y'all, so about yesterday. So yesterday was Vlogmas Day 10. Good morning, everybody! And this time it really is morning. It's like 10ish, y'all. I'm for real. So I'm currently finna cook breakfast. This time I'm gonna record me cooking breakfast. Last time I didn't, but this time I am. So y'all see I have this, like, my face can't never let me be great. I don't know why. The stove is already on. It's waiting on me to place my food on there. But I just got out the shower, fresh out of the shower, smelling like baby powder. Let's get to it. I don't want to hold your time. And I did not pause because I didn't do nothing. Like I didn't do nothing. I really did, y'all. I like sat in the house, nap, ate. Oh, I went to my granddad's house. I went to go get, but it's like nothing to record. I went to go get some wings, American Deli. What flavor I got? I got dry lemon pepper. Yeah, so if you're a lemon pepper flavor, or if you like lemon pepper wings, like this video. But yeah, I went to go get some wings, and I went to my granddad's house. We did a lot of, I should have recorded that because we actually had fun, and it was like, yeah. I got them live on Instagram. I'm putting clips of what we did yesterday because I did record on Instagram, so I'm gonna put those in now.
Alright, girl. Go ahead, girl.
I'm going nothing yonder.
I
thought your feet was out. I thought your feet was out. I'm going nothing yonder. Hey everyone, my name is Nigel, and today is Vlogmas Day 11. So that was yesterday, and yeah, that's all I did yesterday. Well, today is the mid-afternoon, so it's like 3 o'clock, and my mom just got home, so she finna cook. Yes, because I am hungry. Yeah, nothing again today, so I've just been sleep eating. Basically, that's all I've been doing, y'all, for these last 2 days. Well, for Vlogmas Day 10 and today Vlogmas Day 11, that's all I did. Something else I had to tell y'all, but that's basically it. So what I'm gonna do is put in Vlogmas Day 10 and 11 together, and 12 is gonna be by itself because I don't want to keep collabing. Well, this is my first time going to collab the 2 days, but I don't want to keep doing that. Like, my first time doing this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. But I don't like to record things that shouldn't be recorded, or like have upload boring vlogs. Cause it's Vlogmas. It's about celebrating holidays, and I know everybody don't celebrate Christmas, so happy holidays to everyone, really. So yeah. I'm always doing something weird. Yeah, what I got from the mall the other day, I don't know what Vlogmas that was. Probably was like 9 or 8. 2 things from Forever 21. I'm not really like I go to the mall, I can buy stuff and I shop. But I'm really like a online shopper. I don't know, it made me feel happy, like, oh my god, I'm gonna have gifts at the door. In school and I do online shopping, like, I like stopping at the post office and getting in my car and say Nigel on the package, oh, I got a gift, knowing that I already know what it is. I bought it, but still I like doing stuff like that. I don't know why, but I'm just an online shopper, cause the mall be too crowded, too packed. When you go in the store, you should already know what you want. Like, stop coming in these malls and you don't know what you want. You wasting my time in your, ain't no line, no wait. Shop, add it to your cart, check out. It'll be here in 2 to 3 days. Or if you want express shipping, it'll be here tomorrow. Okay, y'all know I like hats. I've been wearing from the past 11 days. Really. So I get my hair done, y'all. I'm getting my hair done. Y'all can just keep saying my hair is done. It's not done. It's not, if you're a girl, you understand when you say your hair is not done. Like, I don't know why people don't understand. When I say my hair is not done, it's not done. Like, it's not done. If I say my hair is not done, it's not done. It's not done. Had this hairstyle for too long. It's not done. No. But since I like hats, I had to get a different color. So now I have blue. I'm sure y'all all the hats I have. I got this one for Walmart for like it's probably like $1 and some change. I got this one for Walmart too. It's like $1 and some change. Oh y'all, I didn't get this. Not from the Forever 21 thing. I'm just showing y'all the hat, like maroon and white hat. I really like these hats because they have the what is called, y'all, pom pom at the top. Yeah, so yeah, I got this from Victoria's Secret pink, whatever you want to call it. And I got this as a gift. So like, you know how you spend like $75, you get something free. So I got that. Actually, I have 2 of those hats. So I have this one. And this one is new. I haven't worn this one yet because I already have this one. This the old one. So yeah, so I got the 2 of the same kinds. I mean, if y'all want it, just let me know. And I got this one. This another like holiday hat from Victoria's Secret too. And I just have this hat. Yeah, I think that's all the hats I have. So yeah, doing the only hats I have right now. I'm going to soon get some more because I love beanies, hoodies. I love all this stuff in the winter. I love it all. Now, like I was saying about the Forever 21 thing, I got this. This was like $3, I think, more. Because I gotta get my hats. Oh, y'all like hats and I like scarves. So, like, these kind of stuff like these. Well, bandanas. Tan, peach color. Yeah. So, let me lay it down. So, yeah, I just got those 2 things. And I got my sweater in a medium because I like sweaters to be like kind of oversized. So I got that in the medium. And then you know the hat, one size fit all. I probably won't even leave the house today, but if I do, I'm going to record it. Like my banners and stuff like that, like the video editing, I do that all myself, right? So I'm looking for different apps. I need different apps for my what it called? I need different apps for my thumbnails and stuff. Like I just need new things. Like right now I'm making me a new intro. Well, not like a Vlogmas intro, but I'm making me a new intro, period. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my thumbnail pictures. So let's go. Thumbnails, and I'm actually going to recreate one of the thumbnails I already did for Vlogmas Day 4. It's a thumbnail pics feet furious. So yeah, let's get started. The 2 apps I use for my thumbnails, Pic Collage and PicMonkey. I'm gonna actually start on PicMonkey. So you already got the picture up here, so I'm gonna have to take that long. So you can adjust editing of the picture to your liking. You can add levels, shadows, highlight, whatever you want to do. I'm going to blur out the background. That's what I'm going to do. So the focus can be more on the picture itself. Well, me in the picture. And furious. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I did that, and now I'm going to save. Next, I'm going to add the white, what it called? The white outline. Yeah. So I went to, my bad, y'all. I went to draw right here. I'm just going to click white. It's white. So then to make it more easy, I'm going to zoom in. And be like, okay, so let's get started. Now this is very Y'all, whoever tell y'all that drawing the white border or outline to your picture is easy, they is lying, because this is very difficult. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, so as you see, it's not the very best, but we have did this like 3 times already. Yes, y'all. Sometimes I go through this struggle. It's not that some people make it easy, but they probably a pro at it, and I'm not. But I get the job done. So now I'm done with that. So I'm just gonna click OK. And now I'm going to save it from PicMonkey. So take the camera roll, mission complete. Then I'm going to go to PicLot. Freestyle. Go to photos. Then we're going to add that photo we just got from PicMonkey. Zoom in to your liking. Now this is the part when we add the wording on the thumbnail. I'm going to click text. I'm going to say Vlogmas. This was Vlogmas day 4, so I'm going to say Vlogmas day 4. Now on this part, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm going to add me a border in the back. So I'm going to pick that pink color, and then the words want it to be black. So like that. And zoom in to your liking. Boy, what do you want? Okay. I forgot I was screen recording. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm gonna change this front to that. Let me zoom out this picture first. Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna add Vlogmas day 4. Right here. And then I'm gonna say width. This time I'm gonna take the border in the back off. So I'm gonna press that. Add that right there. Then we're gonna add various name. Wow. So we're gonna add that. Ooh, I like that. Should I do that, y'all? I mean, well, he's a boy, so I don't know why I'm using pink. But you get it. So I'm gonna do that. No. That's just, I want the wrong thing. I went back to the border. Now on the words, I'm gonna go black. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put fish right here. Or should I put it right here? Okay. Now I'm gonna add, you can barely see Furious, so I'm gonna add another image. So I went to web image. So now I'm going to type in, he's a red ear slider turtle. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to choose a picture to my liking. I'm going to choose this one. So I double tap that. Then I'm going to click cut out. So this time I'm going to use scissors, and I'm just going to outline the turtle. You don't have to be perfect with this because it's going to clean it up afterwards. You see that? It cleaned it up for me because they knew I was horrible at it. Okay, I think I like it this size. So yeah. And then now I'm going to add an arrow pointing to Furious. So I looked up arrow. And okay, here a pink one. This is already cut out, as you can see. So don't have to cut out. Okay, we're gonna move Furious' name. We're gonna put his name right here. And then point the arrow right here. How I did that? Okay, so I put Furious' name on the bottom left. Furious, why you just didn't let me know? Okay, now it's starting to look like something. I'm done. I'm gonna save it to the library. Okay, I'll add, then ask for that. I think it saved to my library. So now I'm gonna go back to Pig Monkey, and we're going to get this picture again, edit. Then we're gonna crop to, you're gonna slide over to, you see, should say thumbnail on here. Yeah, you see that? It have the YouTube logo and it has a thumbnail. So now you're gonna crop it just a tab. Save. Camera roll. Now I think you guys already know how to change your thumbnail. So we're gonna go to YT Studio. Actually, we're gonna go to, oh yeah, I'm already on that. So if I was to change this picture, I go to my video, edit thumbnail. Then I go to change. Then I click on this right here. Then I'll zoom in so I won't have that white border in it. Then I click select, but I'm not gonna click select because I don't want this as the thumbnail. But yeah, y'all get it. That's all for how I do my thumbnail. I am back. I hope y'all, if I didn't explain how I make my thumbnails very clear and straight to the point, let me know, because I will do another video. It's gonna be better. I know they like the worst right now. Well, they decent right now. I'm not gonna down myself, but they decent right now. But no, they get better. Like, I like editing and doing stuff like that, so it's no biggie. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 10 and 11. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, it's a lot going on. I have a hat collection. We got a thumbnail, how to do a thumbnail, and we had what I got for February 21, and we had to sit down and talk. It's a lot going on, but I hope y'all enjoy watching it. And be ready for Vlogmas Day 12, which is tomorrow. And I am out. Bye.